how many kilo of project management is required? Hey, don't look at me like this. I know what you are thinking, but believe me, my question is not as stupid. When I ask this question during my consulting assignments or during my project management courses, generally people look around and try to get the answer of this thing. But some of the, I would say, some intelligent participants or audience will ask me a question that, Asad, do you want to say that we need to do less project management for some projects and more project management for some projects? And I say, yes, that's what I mean is, when I ask the same question to my PMO fellows, and what I got to know is they don't have idea about it. Mostly, they used to tell me that they do or they arrange project management training, they provide project management templates, processes. But when I ask them, how do you guide your project managers that how much project management is required for a specific type of project? And generally, they don't have answer for this. And I believe that this is the recipe of a disaster, or we are following a one size fit for all approach to solve the problem of our project management. Generally, when I do project management consultancies, specifically consultancies, what I try to do is to, after identifying the or listing the projects and categorizing them, I develop a framework or I assess the project management requirement of their project. And generally, I have three specific, I would say, elements that I look to. One is, project complexity, that how project is interdependent within multiple components. So what is the complexities of project that needs to be resolved? Number one. Number two, in which environment a project is going to be operated. So I would say organization boundary, where we need to look at the political and cultural aspects of project. And if we are unable to unearth this thing, so we are trying to do a lot of projects, or we are trying to implement a lot of project management, or we are trying to follow a lot of project management templates, but we hear that you are too much bookish, or you are not just doing the project that is required, and you are wasting your time in developing all these documents and following all these processes. And lots of project managers, lots of certified project managers complain that when they try to implement project management, they feel unrealistic. And the point is that they were following project management, but they are not understanding the political and cultural aspects of the organization. And the third aspect or the element of project management assessment is the market boundaries or market value. So you when your project is done, when you have developed the output, your output is going to be used by some end users, and they have to get the value out of your project. So how your project is going to give the value, how soon they want the value of the project, what is the success criteria for them. So if you are not looking your project from these three different lenses or elements or aspects, you will be following a one size fit for all approach for all your projects, and this is not going to help you. So my recommendation is, before doing any project, or before just jumping into project, please develop the sizing metric, develop the project requirement document, where you will see that what type of project and needs what type of project management, or which type of project needs how much project management. So if you can do it, then you will be able to sell the value of a project and sell the value of project management in your organization. And if you want my help, if you want me, I can do it for you too. I hope you understand the overall phenomena and perspective of this very important question. Thank you.